Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Go belly up. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard the phrase "go belly up"? It might sound strange, but it's an idiom that means to go bankrupt or fail. Imagine a fish floating on its back, belly up. It's not swimming or moving, just floating aimlessly. This is similar to a business that has failed and is no longer operational. To remember the meaning of "go belly up," think of a fish floating on its back. It's a memorable image that will help you recall the idiom's meaning. Let me share a story to help you understand the idiom better. John invested all his savings into his startup. Unfortunately, his business went belly up after just 6 months. Now, he's struggling to pay his bills and find a new job. Here are 10 fun facts about "go belly up." 1. The phrase originated from the nautical term belly up, meaning to capsize. 2. The idiom is often used in a financial context. 3. It can also refer to a person who has failed in their personal life. 4. Belly up can also mean to die. 5. The phrase is commonly used in American English. 6. It's a casual expression and not appropriate for formal situations. 7. Go belly up is a metaphorical expression. 8. The phrase can be used in the past tense, present tense, or future tense. 9. It's a versatile idiom that can be used in various contexts. 10. The phrase is often used in headlines to describe a company's failure. Let me give you some examples of how to use "go belly up" in context. 1. After investing all his money in the stock market, Tom's portfolio went belly up. 2. The small business went belly up after just a year of operation. 3. The restaurant's profits were declining, and it eventually went belly up. 4. The company's new product line failed, and it went belly up. 5. The startup's funding ran out, and it went belly up. Here's a sentence using "go belly up." John's dream of becoming an entrepreneur went belly up after his startup failed. Now, let's rephrase it. John's startup failed, and he could no longer pursue his dream of becoming an entrepreneur. John's entrepreneurial aspirations were dashed after his startup went bankrupt. Let me share a real-life story highlighting the impact of "go belly up." In 2008, the global financial crisis caused many businesses to go belly up. This led to high levels of unemployment and economic instability. The phrase "too big to fail" became popular as governments bailed out failing companies to prevent them from going belly up. Here are some similar expressions to "go belly up." 1. Go bust. 2. Go under. 3. Go broke. 4. Go bankrupt. 5. Fold. And here are some opposite expressions. 1. Thrive. 2. Succeed. 3. Flourish. 4. Prosper. 5. Boom. Finally, here's a related idiom, belly laugh. This means a loud and hearty laugh that makes your belly shake. Let me introduce a story using the related idiom belly laugh. John told a joke, and everyone in the room burst into a belly laugh. Their laughter was so loud that it echoed through the halls. John felt proud that he could make everyone laugh so hard. From that day on, he became known as the king of belly laughs. Whenever someone needed a good laugh, they would go to John. Let's see if you've understood the idiom. Which of the following best describes the meaning of "go belly up"? A. To become successful. B. To go bankrupt or fail. C. To swim upside down. Answer, B. Go belly up means to go bankrupt or fail. To summarize, go belly up is an idiom that means to go bankrupt or fail. It's a metaphorical expression that originated from the nautical term belly up. To remember the meaning, think of a fish floating on its back. You can use go belly up in various contexts, such as financial or personal failures. Remember to use it in casual situations only. And don't forget to share your story in the comments below.